Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Al Ali 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Also become a member. I'm joined by Mr. Bekele Beke, Mr. Versace Ross, Trip King. It's about to over.
Hola, see you my king.
I'm not.
I'm Nandi.
Yeah, sure.
First things first. Thanks to Mamelodi Sundowns for making South African football to be recognized in the entire world.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
No about team. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but I'm so wishing with Nati because Sadlala.
Yeah.
It's going to qualify. We want a final, a dream final.
Yeah.
Where we're going to make history. The first two South African teams to play a CAF final. Who'd ever thought this could happen?
I didn't think.
Yeah, so people were talking. They say Mamelodi Sundowns this and that. They have depth. They have using money. What. It takes money to make money, Baba.
Yeah.
If you want to make money, you have to buy quality players.
Yes.
So that the players can perform.
Yeah.
So they are not at the final by mistake.
Very.
They deserve to be in the final.
Yeah.
The way say finally now.
Yeah.
Young tall. So congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Even though they went to the game, they were a little bit shaky.
Yeah.
That was not Mamelodi Sundowns that we normally know.
Yeah.
Young tall.
Yeah.
But sometimes you just have to be patient, and then they've created the chance. They get the dying minutes of the game, and then they equalized.
Yeah.
And then they went through.
Yeah.
A win is a win, Baba. It's an own goal. It doesn't matter.
Win is a win.
Thankfully, no cut down. So Umsebenzi Kudus is been saved.
Yes.
Because of his job, it was on the line now.
Not over.
I think it's like that. So as a Mamelodi Sundowns, they have mandates.
Yes.
So you have to get something in order for you to stay there. So congratulations to them. I so wish you would in Natis Ndlule. But I know my boss. I'm going to so Ndlule and then Sabatandazela Masfike Kai, and then so wish you would finally Babambelela Kai, because of this CAF things, man, they have a lot of politics inside.
You think they can take the final?
My brother, these things, CAF is a problem. CAF is a problem. CAF is a problem, but I trust Mr. Patrice Motsepe, you'll do the things.
Yeah,
I trust him. I know maybe you'll do the right things. Because of everything that is happening, yeah, it's war and everything. So. Even the fans, they are and everything. That's why I don't like them. Because they don't like us.
Yes.
So why find me young So macho, probably South African. This thing my way like Second star, so start with Mamelodi Sundowns. That's what they do. Those guys, they have mind tricks. If you don't understand, that's why when I never sang so bazange kaulo yabo young tall. Everything ever bias good when these guys. So even though tricks were azanga sevens, but I so wish you would finally being so, but I maybe I think with Yobangala, because it cannot make sense if Mamelodi Sundowns is through and Orlando Pirates is through, and then Batati finally by going country.
We can't go.
Yeah, we cannot go there. But I know with Mr. Patrice Motsepe is going to do a wonderful job. And big ups to Rivero, Begadlala, Uchalulu and Zegache, everybody. Mamelodi Sundowns played very well. I'm so happy for them. As an Orlando Pirates fan, I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations. We'll meet on the final. Come the date final mina nani so hlangana siso. Because everything bayenzile jo. Umsebenzi bawenzile. They are flying the South African flag high my guy. Yeah. Ngale the way bawina ngakhona ukuthi uba nathini unjani it doesn't matter now. Yeah, now asakhulumi next. Se manje se bona abakufanele bamele thina. Yabona. So congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. So my friends wabo even though bangathindi I'm sure I'm sure ubukodukana angazi ukuthi bakuphi basupport team maybe bahlele emakhaya maybe umusho yazi baphila bakhala ngeSpanish and everything. So as ne coach yabe khulumile last time ukuthi guys nebadlala amagame amaso the magnitude of the game afuna ama supporters ukuthi at least benzeni bakhona ukusupport abo motivate nama players wabo yangithola. So I think they have learned the lesson alakhi babonile ukuthi you have to be behind your team at all times support because Mamelodi Sundowns is doing well, is doing wonders. South African football is on another level because of Mamelodi Sundowns. Yangithola dala if you win 20 games, you know with maybe like no but now 20 games doesn't do anything. For actually you have to fight up until now my players no khona manje sekadla kahle abantu sebahola kahle yangithola. So abantu abakhuluma ukuthi Sundowns money but it takes money to make money.
That's true.
Yeah, if you want to make money you just have to ukuthi bathengisa amaplayer ngemungaki njani wena ngene lapho wena focus endabeni zakho. Angisho nabo laba nebafuna elinye player le pyramid but bafuna 53 million babuyele move so they don't want so they don't want to buy quality players but bafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu so they must just leave khona manje sesikhuluma Champions League sesikhuluma ngama champion so it's number 1 and number 2 yes South Africa is number 1 number 2 say Egypt so may the best win Sundowns say winile so excellent ukuthi senze umsebenzi but I know ukuthi nathi saya so hlangana phambili yangithola phela
Tanko beke libeke man of the match fast
man of the match for mina ngipha uRibeiro uRibeiro udlalile kaboma bekahle what's composed winning every ball nozwane introduced introduction kaZwane I think has changed the game because of mangabheka first half Sundowns was losing it was shaky nabangakhona ukubuild yangithola. So the introduction of Themba Zwane made Sundowns to be elevated babe namandla ukuthi bathembe ukuthi negame le bangakhona ukuthi bayiwin. Abafana base Egypt baluzile nebasebenza amathuma ngisho yazi badla amachilisi too much this guys now so alakhala namuhla isebenzanga i-Downs yona yindlulile and then
besebenzani besebenzani
nithi abafana base abawina ngisho yazi badla i-chilies so ispice nyana zabo lezi and maybe namuhla azispananga fanda
Tanko beke sure Tanko beke